Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix laptop shutdown automatically after some time. Chapter 1. How to fix laptop shutdown automatically after some time from advanced settings. To start, enter Advanced in the search box. Open View Advanced System Settings. There, in Startup and Recovery, click on Settings. After this, uncheck the box, Automatically Restart. You can apply the changes. Chapter 2. How to fix laptop shutdown automatically after some time from power options. For this method, enter Plan in the search box. Click on Edit Power Plan. Here, click on the line Change Advanced Power Settings. In this pop-up window under Hard Disk, click on Turn off the hard disk after and set a value above 150. Now expand the option PCI Express. There, in Link State Power Management, you will leave its value off. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 3. How to fix laptop shutdown automatically after some time from terminal. You are going to right-click on Start to open the terminal as administrator. Click Yes to authorize. First, disable hibernation with the command you see on the screen. After that, run a scan of the Windows file system. To do this, run the command sfc/scano. Press Enter. You can see the percentage of progress. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait until the end to check whether corrections were applied or not. Finally, run the on-screen command to restore the system image. Wait for this analysis to finish. When the exam comes to the end, you will see the result. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.